In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp text into a shape in Adobe Illustrator. This is a simple and effective technique that lets you fit text neatly into a custom form, which is great for logos, badges, posters, and creative typography layouts. The key idea is that Illustrator uses the top object as the shape that controls the distortion, so the order of your layers matters. Start by opening your Illustrator document. Make sure you're in the file where you want to create the effect, or open a new document if you're just practicing. It helps to have a clean workspace so you can clearly see both your text and the shape you'll be using. Next, prepare your text and the shape you want the text to warp into. Type out your text first, then place or draw the shape you want to use. This can be something simple like a circle, star, or custom object. Before moving on, make sure both elements are visible on the artboard and positioned close together so they're easy to select. Now right-click on your shape. In the menu that appears, find Arrange, then hover over it and choose Bring to Front. This step is very important because Illustrator will use the object on top as the one that controls the warp. If the shape stays behind the text, the effect may not work the way you expect. Once the shape is in front, drag a selection box over both the shape and the text so they are selected together. Take a quick moment to confirm that both objects are highlighted. If only one is selected, the warp command won't apply correctly. After that, go to the top toolbar and click Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Envelope Distort, then choose Make with Top Object. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will warp the text based on the shape you placed on top. And that's it. Your text is now distorted to match the form of the shape. If the result doesn't look quite right, the most common issue is the stacking order, so double check that the shape was brought to the front before applying the effect. You should also make sure you selected both the text and the shape together. With just those few clicks, you can create stylized text treatments quickly and cleanly in Adobe Illustrator.